Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Hammer Blade 5. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy, and here you have to scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now click Continue, and here you have to enter your passkey. Now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes and click Delete account. Now your account should be removed, so now let's open Google Play Store or any other app that requires you to sign in into your Google account and click Sign in. Now you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so now let's click Next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. Now you have to scroll down and click Accept. And now my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.